Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, it's probably because you're having some trouble with portrait mode on your iPhone camera, whether it's not working or you're not able to get the effect to show up. Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, let's make sure your iPhone is compatible with portrait mode. Portrait mode is available on the iPhone 7 Plus and newer models, but the feature works best on iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone X, and later models with dual lenses. To check your model, open Settings, go to General and About. Also, make sure your iPhone is running in the latest version, that is iOS 18. If you have any updates, simply update it. Now let's make sure you're using portrait mode correctly. Open your camera app and swipe to the portrait mode. It's usually located between photo and pano. Now, if you don't see portrait mode listed, it could be because of one of the following issues, which we'll address in a moment. Portrait mode requires the dual lens camera system that comes on the iPhone 7 Plus and newer models. If you're using a single lens camera, such as the iPhone SE or iPhone 6s, you won't have access to portrait mode. If you're using compatible phone, try tapping the lens switcher in the camera app to make sure you're using the telephoto lens. You need to also check lighting and distance to subject. Another common issue is that make sure you're in the right environment. If everything looks good but portrait mode is still not working, a simple restart can sometimes resolve the issue. If none of the previous steps work, you might need to reset all settings. To do that, you need to go back to Settings and on General, and simply click on Transfer a Reset iPhone and click on Reset All Settings. After the reset, open your camera app again and see if portrait mode starts working. And that's it. Hopefully, one of the steps has helped you get portrait mode working again on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.